What's your name?
My name is Jack.
Jack. Yes, Jack. Very good. How old are you? Seven.
I'm 9 years old.
Oh, 9 years old. Very good. And are you hungry? Hungry? No. Maybe you are tired. Are you tired? Like this?
No.
No. Are you thirsty?
No.
No. Very good. Are you ready for the speaking test, Jack?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. This time I will show you the picture. Look at this picture. Can you tell me which place is this? Is this a kitchen? Is this a bedroom? What place is this? This is a living room. Can you tell me what can you see in the living room? Go. I can see.
I can see tree.
Next.
I can see
Sofa. I can see.
I can see
Baby.
baby. I can see TV.
Next.
I
can see.
can see window.
Mhm.
I can see picture. I can see lamp. I can see truck. I can see
Toys.
toys. I can see table.
Very good. Alright, so now please remember the in, on, right? In, on, in front,
in front,
okay? Behind,
behind,
under,
under,
next to,
next to,
between.
between.
Yeah, don't forget it, okay? I'm gonna ask you a question. Where is the chair? The chair is in. What is this? The chair is in front
in front
of the.
the door.
Very good. Next. What is this?
It is table.
It's a table. Very good. Where is the table?
Table is
In front of the.
sofa.
Yes, very good. Can you say the word sofa?
Sofa.
Very good. Now, how many trucks do you see? How many?
She was
Two trucks.
two trucks.
Okay, what are the colors?
Red
And
and blue.
where are the trucks? Where? The trucks are. Can you say the trucks are?
Straight eye.
Where are?
Straight eye.
Are in front.
In
In front of the
the
shelf.
shelf.
In front of the shelf.
In front of the shelf.
Very good. Now, where is the window?
Window between and
Between the
window
picture and.
and lamp.
Very good. Okay. Next. How many children do you see? How many children? How many children? There are
There are two children.
children. Very good. Okay. Next question is, where is the TV? The TV is. Oh, what's this?
The baby.
Yes, very good. So now let's move on to the second part, okay? I have here small pictures, Jack. And you will place the pictures on the picture. Hold on. Listen to teacher. You will put the pictures here, okay? Can you choose one? What is it?
Yes.
Egg. Can you put the egg on the table? On the table. On the table, Jack. On the table. Where is the table? Where is the table? Oh, what happened? Okay, don't do that. Just always think, okay? Next. What is it? Rubber. Yes. Put the rubber next to the TV. Next to. Okay. Next. What is it? What is that? Sunglasses.
Sunglasses.
What are these? sunglasses between the picture and the lamp. Between picture and the lamp, okay? Next. Remember this? Sunglasses, okay? What is it?
Basketball.
Basketball. Put the basketball under the baby. Under the baby. Okay, next.
Balloon.
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 Put the balloon between the chair and the baby. Alright, now let's start. Wear sunglasses. Sunglasses.
Yes.
Sunglasses between, go.
Sunglasses between the picture and lamp. Is on the table. Balloon between the baby and tray. Basketball under the baby.
Rubber.
Rubber next to the TV.
Very good, Jack. You did well. Say goodbye to teacher.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, Jack. You did well. Say thank you, teacher.
Thank you, teacher.
See you again, Jack.